It's that time of the year again for the Beautylish Lucky Bag unboxing. I've been getting this lucky bag for several years, but last year I did not get it. I was just kind of maybe tired of it or turned off by it because it's kind of repetitive. You get a brush, you get an eyeshadow palette, you get something from Good Molecules. So last year I just didn't get it and I didn't, have that FOMO. And I wasn't going to get it again this year, but I don't know. When I got the email and I saw that it was still available, I think it was like at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, I said, oh, what the heck? Let me just go ahead and order it. So I went ahead and ordered the extra large. This one does cost $150 plus $20 shipping. I don't know if it was the same price as it was last year, but it's usually $15, so they raised it up. So this is $170, and it should have products in here that are worth $300 or more. So we're gonna see if I did the right thing of ordering it this year, and if it's something that, I'm not really happy with, or it's kind of an okay box. I think this may be the last one I'll get for a while. I have to say it is kind of light, and they didn't have the weight on the label, and I kind of took it off because I didn't want my address to show. But let's go ahead and open it up. Didn't open it yet. All right, let's see what's in here. It does come with a little card that lets you know the history about the lucky bags. All right, maybe it doesn't give us the history, but it says you are one lucky duck. This bag is packed with a splash of joy, a sprinkle of luck, and a whole lot of beauty surprises. Enjoy the magic inside. Lucky bag of 2025. So here's a cute little tag. There's the front, and then here's what it says in the back. It is wrapped with something printed here. It has something to do with this year's lucky bag theme. But let me just take out the paper, and it is wrapped in bubble wrap. Oh, I can't take it out because it's kind of loose. So let me just go ahead and take it from the box. And let me take out the first thing, which is a brush. Oh, and it's not from Sonia G. All right, I take it back. This is a Sonia G brush. It looked like Chikuhodo for some reason. And I don't know which brush it is, but I'll try to find that out and write it down here for you guys. But it's one of the short handles with the brown wood or maple wood. And this is, maybe a brush blush. Next, we do have something from Good Molecules. It's one of Beautylish's skincare brands, and it's the Lightweight Daily Moisturizer. Formulated with shea butter, avocado seed oil, and hyaluronic acid, and it's to hydrate, smooth, and nourish the skin. And we do have 100 mils of product, 3.3 fluid ounce. All right, it comes in a tube. This is the first time I've tried their moisturizer. I do love their discoloration serum. Love that. All right, next we have something from Slip, and it's the Silk Skinny Scrunchie. So we have a little scrunchie here. It looks to be like a pink color. All right, next I'm pulling out, looks like a lipstick. Oh, from Sisley Paris, and it's a gloss. Intense Glow Lip Gloss in shade number 10. Oh, and it comes in a beautiful bottle there. Kind of like a corally shade, I would say. I'm not going to swatch this one because I think I'll probably put this one in a giveaway. Next, I do see an eyeshadow palette, and it's from Viseart. And it's the London Etoile, and I think I have this one. I have to look through my collection, but I do think I have this one. Let me look. Yes, I do. So let me just open up mine. Since I have it, I'll probably put this one in the giveaway. And so this is what this palette looks like. It's more purpley. Very pretty. Oh, we have something from Oribe, and it's the Run Through Detangling Shampoo. Ooh, love Oribe. Ooh, and it comes in a light blue bottle. Okay, I'm excited about this one. Let me just see what it smells like because I love the smell of Oribe. So this softening shampoo adds slip and lightweight moisture for effortless combing and styling. All right, not bad. And I'm surprised. This is kind of heavy, and I didn't feel that in the box. All right, next we do have something from Danessa Myricks, and it's the Yummy Skin, and it says it's the Blurring Palm Powder Flushed Rose in Bunch. That's the name of this. So let me open this and see what it is. Is it a blush maybe? A Blurring Balm Powder. So is it like a cream powder blush? Do like the packaging and do like that color. Let's see, how do we open this? You twist it open. So yes, it is a cream blush. I don't think I'll be swatching this because I want to put this one in the giveaway too. It does look like a very pretty color. Let's see what else we got. We have something from Super Egg. Never heard of this brand. Sound Renewal Serum Cream. So we have a serum and a moisturizer. All right, I get why they call it the Super Egg because it does look like an egg almost. It does say it's a nourishing gel moisturizer with an innovative blend of high-performing botanical extracts and antioxidants. You do get 60 mils of product, which is 2 fluid ounce, so that's double than the standard norm. It's usually 1 ounce with the serums or moisturizers. And the last product that we have is another eyeshadow palette, and it's by Charlotte Tilbury, the Pillow Talk Dreams. I do not have this one because every time I see it, I just think it's gonna look too light for my skin. Ooh, that is pretty. Do like the colors in here. You have 2 mattes and 2 shimmers, metallics. You know what? I don't mind this one. This is pretty. I like this one. So in this lucky bag, I do like this palette from Charlotte Tilbury, and I do like the shampoo from Oribe. This one right here, the Run Through Detangling Shampoo. Oh, and of course the brush from Sonia G. This is nice. I like this one. I like it because it's short and you can use it for travel. So let me go ahead and add everything up and see how much this lucky bag cost, and we'll see if it was worth it. Before I tell you the amount, let me show you the paper that it was wrapped in. It's, I guess, like a 4-panel. Really cute. I like that. You can use this to wrap a gift or whatnot, so that's kind of cute. But anywho, let's get down to the cost here. We did get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 products in here, and the grand total is $382.25. So I paid $170. So I mean, this is a good bag technically, cost-wise, and there are some nice products in here. And let me tell you about the slip. The price that I did find was $29 for a package of 4, and there's only 1 here, so that came out to $7.25. So that's where the 25 cents came from. So technically, this is not a bad bag. The cost is there. You're getting bang for your buck, and I do like the Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow palette, the Oribe shampoo, and the Sonia G brush. Pretty much everything else I'll be putting in a giveaway, and the only repeat that I have is this one from Viseart, the London Etoile. So technically this is a nice bag. You have 2 eyeshadow palettes, lip gloss, blush, something for the hair, actually 2 things for the hair, skincare. So it's got your basics covered, and it is a risk spending $150 and you don't know the products that you're getting. But again, there are a few products that I do like, and others that are just kind of, you know, didn't wow me that much. So those products will go into a future giveaway, and for the future, I don't know if I'll be getting the Beautylish Lucky Bags again, at least for a while. If you're someone new into the Beautylish Lucky Bag, I think this is a great box. But because I have this channel and I have a lot of things, there are just some things that, you know, just didn't quite wow me. Well, alright you guys, I sure hope that you enjoyed this video of me unboxing the Beautylish Lucky Bag of 2025. I do like doing unboxings. I like to see what's in here. And again, this is a nice one, and I do like some of the products in here, but the rest will go in a future giveaway, so watch out for that. So I do hope that you like and subscribe to keep an eye out for that future giveaway, and I hope that you do have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye.